Welcome to the training. Now, I want to thank you for joining me here. I am going to give you tons of value. Here is what we are going to cover. Secret number 1, how to find great products to promote. You'll learn my number 1 product selection criteria and how to find and sell products that people already want to buy now. Secret number 2, how to set up a 6-figure marketing system. Systems work, people fail. You'll learn how to create a powerhouse marketing system for any company, product or offer, and crush it. Secret number 3, how to get high-quality targeted traffic fast. I'll show you my number 1 go-to traffic strategy for opening floodgates of high-quality traffic to any website, product or offer, on demand. I'm going to be taking you through the training and this is what it's about. So what do I do? Well, I understand you might be wondering how I can help you, so it would be rude if I didn't explain myself. Over the last few years I've built multiple online business, and more importantly I've helped others do the same. I help others create 6 and even 7-figure online business even if they don't have one yet. You don't even need your own products. I will explain in a moment. Running an online business gives me the freedom to do that. This is how the training will work. First of all, I won't be teaching you any get-rich-quick crap because that stuff doesn't work. Seriously, it doesn't. I'm going to be teaching you how to start a real online business, and I won't be charging you a cent. This will be free. I will show you how you can earn at least $4,000 a month step by step. You will be learning how to start your own online affiliate marketing business using sales funnels. Don't know where to start or what to do? Don't worry, I've got your back. You're in good company. The reason I send the content out over 4 days is for you can digest it easily. So here is what you will be learning. Lesson number 1, how to generate $100 to $1,000 per day online even if you're completely new. Lesson number 2, how to become a super affiliate even if you've failed multiple times before. Lesson number 3, over my shoulder training where I show you the exact process to build profitable sales funnels. Lesson number 4, your 90-day game plan to generate $4,000 plus month. My plan is to get you to $4,000 in 90 days or less. Don't take these lessons for granted just because they are free. You've probably already received a lot of free stuff and haven't made any money from the information. I'm literally going to show you everything that you have to do to start building. On that note, let's get started. Go to the link in the description and we'll access all the 4 videos. I'm going to teach you how to be a super affiliate and step up above the rest. I can't wait to help you grow and start your very own online business.